Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Proton VPN for safer browsing on public Wi-Fi. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Visit the official Proton VPN website by typing in the URL www.protonvpn. Once the homepage loads, look for the Get Proton VPN button prominently displayed. Click on the Get Proton VPN button to proceed to the subscription plans page. Here, you will find several subscription options, including a free version and various paid plans. Review the features of each plan to determine which one best meets your needs. After selecting your desired plan, click on the Choose Plan button associated with it. You will be prompted to create an account if you do not already have one. Enter your email address and choose a strong password to secure your account. Once you complete the account information, look for a confirmation email in your inbox. Open the email and click on the confirmation link to verify your account. After verifying your account, return to the Proton VPN website. Log in using the credentials you just created. Once logged in, you can finalize your subscription by entering your payment details. Fill in the required payment information, ensuring all fields are completed accurately. Review your order summary to confirm that everything is correct. After the transaction is successful, you will receive a confirmation page. Download and install the Proton VPN application on your device from the website. Open the app and log in using your account credentials. You are now ready to connect to Proton VPN and enhance your online security on public Wi-Fi. Choose a server location from the list provided within the app. Click the Connect button to establish a secure VPN connection. Once connected, you can safely browse the internet, even on public networks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.